What is up, everybody? My name is Tony, and as you can tell by the title today, we're making a caramel frappuccino at home. Now, this turned out so good and it tastes amazing. I can't wait to share with you the recipe. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, first things first, you can't have a caramel frappuccino without the caramel sauce. So grab your pan and let's make some delicious homemade caramel sauce. So to my pan, I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of oat milk, 8 tablespoons of earth balance butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tiny pinch of some salt. I'm going to turn the pan on medium heat and I'm going to stir everything up until it starts to form some bubbles. And I got this caramel sauce recipe from Wallflowerkitchen. I will link her recipe in the description down below so y'all can check it out. In my opinion, this homemade caramel sauce tastes a lot better than the stuff you buy from the store, and you get the satisfaction of making your own caramel sauce at home, so it's kind of a win-win situation. Alright, so after a few minutes, you can tell it's starting to bubble up. So once this happens, I'm going to turn off the heat and just let it sit and cool. And the mixture is going to start thickening up the more it sits out and cools. So 5 minutes later, you can definitely tell the caramel sauce has thickened up. And now it's ready to be used. So I'm going to store it in this container. I'm going to pour it in. Now, any caramel sauce you don't end up using today, you can store it in your fridge for up to a week. Alright, so our caramel sauce is done. Now we can make the frappuccino. So in a blender, add a cup of your favorite choice of milk. I'm going to be using oat milk. Add a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. 3 or 4 tablespoons of caramel sauce, depending on how sweet you want your drink. I ended up going with 3 tablespoons and that was perfect for me. 2 cups of ice and half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. And you can find this in the baking aisle in most grocery stores. Basically, this gives the frappuccino a nice creamy and thick consistency. And once you have added all of those ingredients, go ahead and put your lid on the blender and blend everything until it is smooth. Alright, so I've been blending it for about a minute now and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a clear cup. And I'm going to line the outside of the cup with a caramel drizzle. This just makes the drink look more fancy and delicious. Now I'm going to grab the blender and put the mixture into the cup. I'm also going to leave a little bit of room on the top to add my toppings. I made my own whipped cream from coconut milk, so I'm going to add a few dollops of that to the top. And of course, we can't forget about the caramel drizzle on the top as well. And we are done, so grab your straw and enjoy. This is so good and surprisingly really easy to make. If you do try this out, let me know what you think. Also, Starbucks just came out with a new drink, the Apple Crisp Macchiato. I think I might do a video on it and recreate it at home. We will see. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. It's been real. Peace out.